music. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross 1,000,000 miles. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross 1,000,000 miles. Without a school of music, where the music explodes. Without a school of music, where the knowledge always grows. Without a school of music, where the musicians are born. Without a school of music, we name it proudly adore.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the 8th episode of Fun Learn Day. My name is Disha, and I'm going to be your host for the evening. Well, you have been having all amazing weekends in the past few weeks, right? Especially because of the musical tadka that we are adding to your Sunday evening. Well, even today we have an amazing expert with us. I'm aware that you have learned the wonderful instrument ukulele in the last session, and that journey is still going to continue. Today we have with us our amazing ma'am, Swati ma'am. She has been learning music since 8 years. It's a really long time, right? And she has been actively teaching since 3 years. She is an amazing vocalist, an amazing harmonium player, and she plays the keyboard as well. Now, without a further ado, I would like to call upon Swati ma'am to go ahead with this fun learning session. Swati ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Disha ma'am, to having me here. I'm again here with this very, very sweet instrument called ukulele. And you know how to play a chord on ukulele, right? Which is C and F. And now we are going to revise all these chords one more time. And for that, we are going to invite Disha ma'am again over here. Okay, so Disha ma'am is again with us, and now we are going to practice. We are going to practice again C and F chord one more time. I just wanted to tell you this is our first string, second string, third string, and fourth string. Now we are going to play a C chord. We are going to play with our third finger, which is first, second, and third. So we are going to play C chord with third finger. So place your third finger on first string, third fret. Ready? And how it sounds? Okay. Ready? So we are going to play C chord. Ready? Steady, ready, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, steady, ready, play. Now we are going to practice F chord. We are going to play F chord with our first finger. So place your first finger on second string, first fret. And how it sounds? So ready, steady, ready, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, steady, ready, play. Very good. Now we are going to practice same chord but in different sequence. And we are going to play that one after the other. Let's do it. Now how we are going to do is we are going to play C for 4 times and F for 4 times. Ready, steady, ready. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, steady, ready. Try. Very good, very good. Now we are going to do one more sequence which is very, very, very interesting. And how we are going to play is we are going to play C for 4 counts, F for 4 counts, and again C for 4 counts, and without any break. So ready, steady, ready, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, steady, ready, try. Thank you so much, Disha ma'am, for this wonderful support. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to let me play a song for you first, and then we'll learn how to play. Okay, ready, steady, ready, listen. Ready, steady, ready, listen. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. For this song, we are going to use two chords, which is C and F, which you know already, but in different sequence. So ready, steady, ready. Listen how we are going to sing this song and how we are going to play this on ukulele. C chord for 8 counts, F chord for 4 counts, and again C chord for 4 counts. So listen first and let's practice together. Ready, steady, ready, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it easy? Let's try and sing along with this ukulele. For this, I'm going to play a very, very small intro part, which is C for 4 counts and F for 4 counts. And then we are going to use that same sequence which we learned earlier. Ready, steady, ready, sing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Isn't it sounds really good? Do you know we can play so many songs on it with this? Like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Or Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Or we can sing this song also, which is Lavender's blue, dilly dilly, lavender's green. When I am king, dilly dilly, you shall be queen. And so many songs. So have fun with your instrument.
Well, that was an amazing session. Along with you all, even I got to learn some simple, beautiful tunes. I'm definitely going to practice them, and I'm sure all of you are going to practice them as well. Now, in the last few minutes, you were all able to learn such beautiful things, right? So just imagine if a guidance is provided to you on daily basis, what wonders can it possibly do for you? Now for that, all you need to do is reach out to us via Facebook page, Instagram page, and our very own website, FSM Buddy. Please have a look at it.
In today's times, creativity is the need of the hour, and what better way to cultivate it than by indulging in various forms of art? Presenting FSM Buddy, your one-stop destination to everything that screams creativity. Music, art, craft, sound production, dance, languages, drama. Log on for live lessons which give you instant feedback and personal direction, all from the comfort of your own lovely home. These sessions are conducted by our amazing community of teachers. Come on then, unleash your creative power. Start your online learning journey with FSM Buddy today.
I hope you have noted it down, and finally we have come towards the end of this session. I really wish that we do not end it this way. We are actually going to have a very beautiful musical ending, and for that, I would like to call upon Swati ma'am again to amaze us with her playing and her beautiful voice. So, Swati ma'am, over to you.
कितनी सी हंसी कितनी सी खुशी कितना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाब के दिनों से चल बनाए आशिया कितनी सी हंसी कितनी सी खुशी कितना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाब के दिनों से चल बनाए आशिया never, never bounce आए हौले हौले जिंदगी वो टूटी टूटी चढ़ा के हम तारे लगा के चल करा ले चुपके का आधी आधी बात ले आज दिल की जमी थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ही आशिया कितनी सी हंसी कितनी सी खुशी कितना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाब के दिनों से चल बनाए आशिया
Now, that is a perfect ending to this amazing session. It's time for me to say goodbye. So, goodbye. Take care, everybody, and stay safe.